In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel a friend request on Facebook. The first step is to open the Facebook app on your device. You tap on the menu icon, that's the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap on Friends. Then you tap on See All next to the friend request section. The next step is to tap on the ellipsis icon, that is the three dots at the top right corner of the phone. Then you select the View Sent Request from the drop-down menu. The fourth and final step is to find the friend request you want to cancel and tap on Cancel Request next to the person's name. Alternatively, if you know the person's name and profile you sent the friend request to, you can easily search for the person's name in the search bar and go to their profile. You go to their profile, then you select Cancel Request. This will cancel the friend's request automatically, and the person will not be notified that you sent or cancelled the request. Do well to like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.